Wait, before you scroll. If you feel like quitting right now, this message is not random. Watch this until the end, because the last thing I'm going to tell you will completely change how you see your struggle, and it might be the reason you don't give up today. The moment you want to quit the most is usually the moment you are closest to winning. You're not failing, you're hitting the wall. And that wall, it shows up before every breakthrough. Most people don't quit because they're weak. They quit because discomfort peaks. Progress slows, results disappear, doubt gets louder, and your brain whispers, maybe this isn't for you. But here's the radical truth. That feeling of incompetence, that frustration, that pressure, it's not failure, it's neuroplasticity. Your brain is literally trying to rewire itself, and rewiring feels like breaking. There's a phase in growth where effort stays high, but visible results drop to zero. It feels like you're stuck, like nothing is working, like you've hit your ceiling, but you haven't hit your ceiling. You've hit resistance, and resistance only appears when you are pushing beyond your current identity. Most people mistake this plateau for proof they should stop, but it's actually proof they're expanding. Right before a breakthrough, distractions increase, new opportunities appear, comfort looks attractive. Suddenly, quitting feels logical. But this is the final test. Your brain is trying to conserve energy. It's protecting you from the metabolic cost of becoming someone new. And if you push just 5% further, that's where the shift happens. Not 50%, not 100%, 5%. Here's the part that might shock you. The pain you feel right now, it's evidence. Evidence that you are stretching beyond who you used to be. Evidence that you are shedding old limits. Evidence that you are upgrading. It didn't break you. It's building you. And one day, you'll look back at this exact moment and realize it made you strong. Stop quitting at the wall. The wall is not the end. The wall is the doorway. Push through, because breakthroughs don't announce themselves. They hide behind discomfort. If this message found you at the right moment, subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see us again. And remember, you're not stuck. You're strengthening.